Today, we're going to fix a drainage problem. What we got is all the rain water runs off the driveway here and down the ditch, and it's washing out my driveway right here and getting underneath the concrete. And so today, we're going to put some rock underneath it, and we're going to fix that. First thing we got to do is bust up this right here, because what's happening is the water's just swirling right here and getting underneath this. So first thing we're going to do is break this rock up here. Alright. Gotta kind of move that out. Alright. Then what we're going to do is we're going to just dump a bunch of rock in here and just try to get this erosion under control and give the water a channel to come down instead of just washing underneath the driveway. So we got the ditch prepared for the rock. So now what we got to do is get all this rock down in the driveway. So what we got to do is just take these rocks and throw them. No, we're going to use Bocephus. That's embarrassing. And what we're going to do, take some of these little rocks. We're just going to try to angle. So we're just going to take some more, put it right in here. So at this point, we only had 3 buckets of rock left, and then we just had to push the edges in, straighten them up, and then position the rocks. All right, we just finished the project. What we got is we got 3.5 tons of rock in the ditch. We dug a little trench right here for the water to come off the hill and off the driveway into the culvert. I called 3 different contractors to come out and look at this, and none of them ever showed up. I tried to rent a trailer, a dump trailer. Got there to rent it. It wasn't available. So I had to end up just calling a dump truck, get out here, dropped off 3.5 tons. It cost me $219. I think it's like $55 for delivery fee. That was part of the $219. So this probably would have cost me $500 to $600 if I would have got a contractor out here. But like I said, I couldn't even get anybody out here. So we did it ourselves. I think it looks good. And if you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave me a comment if there's something I need to change or something you think could be done different. Hit the subscribe button if you liked it. And y'all just try something. Have fun.